Mittens is hiding from Blade. He's picking on him. Come on out, Mitty. It's okay. It's okay. Gonna pounce. He looks like he's gonna pounce. Chased him back into the corner. Oh my gosh, Blade, you're a bully. Blade, why are you being a bully? Beat him up, Mittens. Beat him up. Yeah, I missed it. He found a pretzel stick on the floor. It must have fell out when I picked him up and put him in the snack basket. This kind of stuff happens every day, and most of the time I don't catch them on camera. That was so perfect. Oh my goodness.
Play with me. Play with me. Play with me. Play with me. Play
No,
with me.
no humping. Oh, that's how Blade plays. Do you think it's okay?
I learned it from him.
You learned it from Blade?
Yeah. I need to make food.
Why did you have to do that when I didn't have the camera pointed at you? Okay, now, what should have been my first response? Are you okay?
No.
No? You're not okay?
No.
I'm all sweaty and gross. I did my cardio challenge workout this morning while Brandon was still sleeping. And somehow I didn't wake him up, I guess. And I was yelling at the guy in the video, the trainer guy. It was like, shut the fuck up! I was getting mad. It was a tough one. It was really was. And so tough that I was almost in tears at some point. And I've come to the conclusion that some of the exercises are too hard for me with the 5-pound weights. Like, I did it, but I wasn't able to do as many or as fast as they did. And I just wasn't, wasn't able to do everything. So I think I need to get another 3-pound weight. When we went to get them, we went shopping for the weight, so we were gonna get another 3-pound and a 5-pound, but they didn't have any 3-pound ones. So have to see next time we go out if I can find one. Yep. Brandon's making himself breakfast or coffee or something. I don't know. It's almost 1. Brandon didn't come downstairs until noon. He said he was up for a while before that. But he was still, still laying in bed or whatever. He didn't want to get up. We were hot last night. We left the air on like full blast all night. It's nice and cool in here now though. So, yeah, that's what we're up to. Brandon's playing WoW. I guess he's decided that if I don't play my account enough, he's going to start playing with it.
You don't start playing your account enough, I'll cancel yours and reactivate mine.
I will play it. Stop making sweet faces. I'm trying to film you with him. So sweet. Why'd you start petting him? Because he was like following you around?
Yeah.
Oh, he's so cute. He's rubbing all over you. He knocked your glasses off. Aww. That's so sweet. I'm gonna have to try to take a still picture too for Facebook. That's so cute. Okay, you guys, the apartment's still a mess, but I did something. I did something that's actually in the Happiness Project. Tackle a daunting task. And I don't know why it took me so long to do it, but I did. I cleaned out the fridge. You look up here, you got top shelf, soy milk, juice, tofu, and then there's extra space up there for more tofu or vegan lunch meats. And then the next shelf, we've got anything that has a container or jar. This should probably go in the drawer, in the door, but there's no room because I accidentally opened another barbecue sauce because I didn't know that that was in there because I hadn't cleaned out the fridge. And then the next shelf is, sorry for the glare, the next shelf is wraps and any produce that doesn't fit in the produce drawer, like my kale. Or I also sometimes will pull stuff up here if I know I'm going to use it soon, I guess would be the plan. And things that come in these kind of containers if there's no room in the drawer. Then this shelf, this whole shelf is empty. And I made an Eat Me First box. I seen this idea on Pinterest and I thought it was a really good idea. But I got this perfect box that some rice packets came in. So I just put some white duct tape on it, labeled it Eat Me First, and anything that we don't want to go bad, leftover components, leftover ingredients from when we make things and don't want it to go bad, stuff like that, will go in that box. And then this whole drawer, here is the produce. So that's good. Whole drawer of produce. We've got all kinds of produce in there right now. Corn in the cob that we cook in the microwave because Brandon taught me how to do that. And we've got some apples, some romaine, orange, some baby carrots. So that's good. And then in this shelf, this section here, we've got some lime and garlic. I keep these in the fridge because when I had garlic, I had limes not in the fridge and lemons not in the fridge, they end up going bad on me. I guess because our apartment's not temperature controlled, it's a grocery store or whatever. I've got the cat's toothpaste, which I need to get in the habit of brushing their teeth for them. And then some miscellaneous hot sauces and things of that nature. And mustard probably doesn't belong on that shelf, but yeah, miscellaneous hot sauces. I should put this up there too. And What else? What else do I have that's spicy? This is spicy. Okay, there we go. Spicy sauce is on that shelf. And then next shelf, and this is a whole set I got at Big Lots for Brandon, and now we've got like most of them open, and I've got them sitting in an egg tray because our refrigerator has an egg tray and we don't eat eggs, so it fits. Those fit in there perfect. And then we've got some mustards, buffalo sauce, sweet and sour, salad dressings and ketchup. Then the next shelf is, you know, basically miscellaneous stuff like chocolate syrup. I got too much freaking mustard. Okay, chocolate syrup, kelp flakes, a Mike's, some soy sauce, barbecue sauce, and some lemonade. So yeah, there's a little tour of our fridge. In the freezer, just basically a bunch of frozen veggies and fruit. Some Boca chicken patties. Some corn on the cob, mini cobs, and pie crust, and some chipotle peppers, which we froze so they wouldn't go to waste. So yeah, that's what our fridge and freezer looks like. And up top, I still need to organize. It's a mess, but there's gonna be like snack food and jars for food storage up there, and there's the teapot I need to give to my mom. Yeah, I still need to organize that, but inside of the fridge it's really good. And now I'm going to sit and eat, I guess, dinner. I don't know. I'll probably eat again later tonight because my eating schedule is all messed up because I didn't eat anything, and I don't like to eat until after I exercise, and I exercise a little later in the day today, so I didn't eat until like after noon. So I had breakfast at like noon, 12:30. And now I'm hungry again, so I'm eating some leftover Persian noodles and a spinach salad. And that's what I'm up to. Hey honey.
Hi.
What you doing?
Poking around on the interwebs.
Uh-huh. And anything else?
Thinking about going to bed soon.
Yeah. What's this?
That's incentive.
For me to do the dishes.
Yes.
That shows you that I haven't been doing the dishes like I should because it's still there. What do you want? What do you want? I don't know what he wants. I love you.
I love you.
How was work?
Alright.
And you came home and I had food almost ready, and you came out of the shower, it was ready.
Yeah.
And you only had to sit through like 10 to 15 minutes of Bachelor Pad.
Yeah.
Because it was almost over.
Yep. Planned that well.
Because you're a master at planning. That was gross. I love you.
I love you.
So what are we doing tomorrow?
I'm working. I have to clopen.
Oh, you have to get up early.
Yeah.
And then when do you get out?
4 o'clock.
That's not terrible.
No.
We'll have some time together.
Yeah.
Is there anything I needed you to pick up from the store that we forgot?
Not that I can think of. Bananas?
And margarine.
Bunch of bananas and margarine?
Yup.
Okay.
You tired?
Not really, but I should try to wind down and make myself go to sleep.
Are you gonna read for a while first?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll come up with you and read.
Can if you want to.
I probably should.
I should probably make lunch in the morning so I don't have to buy food at work. I was probably just gonna make like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich or 2.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe throw in some cereal or something, I don't know.
I love you.
And then me too. Alright. I need to go hit the hay.
Good night,
Or
Internet.
I'm gonna regret it in the morning.
Good night, Internet. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.